Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords umkhokha their curse. No, alright. Ukabsile no boyfriend, they're having their own challenges, right? Ukabsile feels betrayed and Ukabsile at this point does not like Unobuntu or anything that comes with Unobuntu. Hayi bayenze i-back and forth bazama ukunikana imali ukuthi like really khona lento ukuthi umuntu angabuyisa imali guys mina bona if umuntu ahamba nginika imali siyalwa I keep the money you ain't getting a cent back like or wrong guys ngicela correcting if I'm wrong but ke I keep the money is mine and no one tells me otherwise. But ke uGabisile noLwazi they did that back and forth until ubaba kaLwazi abapatreka. Empatrekweni ke wathi wena bantwana imani kancane brigani very fast kwenzakalani ithini le ndaba hayi bathe siyafunda he sangafundi he sayenzana alright ba separate ke bamtshele ke uLwazi ukuthi imali mele ibuye kaBisile. I think that's where the truth will come out, right? Okay, then sisuki kube indaba kaNdlovu noMamzobe. uMamzobe is adamant ukuthi uNdlovu is responsible for what's happening to uNomkhosi. Uze wabuza ukuthi did you take out a curse for uNomkhosi ukuthi abe the way angakhona na? But nonetheless since uwumkhululi khipha imali ivolt ihlala la kuwe wenze sure ukuthi uNomkhosi is helped. Hayi shem uNdlovu akana stress akaziboni lapho akahlali kuleyo address akayirecognize leso statement. uNdlovu into ayaziyo i1 kuphela ukuthi uye umkhululi uye ocontrolayo and at this point he does not care about Nomkhosi's health and well-being. The only person that seems to care right now ubani uMabusi. I think also because umakoti naye laphayana and she knows ukuthi if tables were turned even though Nomkhosi would not help her but as umakoti it's not ideal, right? So okay fine sharp ugirl abizele uManzimande intervention after uManzimande ale ukuthi anqedwe uNomkhosi. Hayi uManzimande amtshele where to get off athi uzozala uzoba nomntana omfana uzothola umakoti alright ofana noNomkhosi naye ashada umntanakho ayenze the very same thing that uNomkhosi did to my son. So be careful on your intervention. Your interventions might come from a good place, but this is not the time. Hayi uMabusi azama ukuqolisa ke but uyayibona ukuthi apology yakhona uMabusi akabelieve ukuthi wrong ubelieve ukuthi this one no matter what she did she needs to be helped. Nabo mama basesontweni even though they intervened baphoqwa yazi wabaphoqa uManzimande bangeke empilweni zabo zonke in the next lifetime baphinde ba-intervene indabeni zabantu bangaxelwanga. But ke the question is what will heal uNomkhosi because uGirl has already confessed her sins. uGirl has already said ukuthi yes I did this, yes I was wrong, yes this, yes that. What's going like what must happen then for her to be forgiven and for her to see again? And my other question ukuthi where is Nomkhosi's father kule season le? Angisho mama kaNomkhosi bekahamba phezulu ukuthi uNomkhosi asizwe manje akasazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why is he not coming? At least maybe even if it's not to necessarily bathe her daughter, but just to be there, entertain her, read stories for her, and make sure ukuthi she's well kept because at the end of the day, the Mthembu family is still bleeding after what had happened. Guys, when do you think Mthembu will have mercy kuNomkhosi? Mina personally, I feel ukuthi uzwile umntana abantu angisafuni next ngiyamzwela sekusele nje ukuthi ngikhale ngikhiphe tissue khiqize inyembezi ngimncedise. This is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.